Today is May 6th, National Nurses Day, and I'm hosting a Nurses Day friendship tea at my home. Join me. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today is National Nurses Day, and my sorority is coming over any minute, and we're having a Nurses Day friendship tea. So as you can see, I've still got things at 6s and 7s, but within the next hour, we'll have things all sorted out. I got my luncheon plates here, I got my punch bowl here, I've got some of my cups out, and I've got my tea on. So you can see there's stuff back here that I need to get done. But let me show you the table, because I know that's what people want to see. Right here, I've got my fruit tray, and I'm going to put some sliced apples here. I still have them in the fridge, but I didn't want to put them out and have them turn brown. But we've got red peppers here, blackberries, strawberries, and blueberries. And then back here I have some adorable little miniature yellow and white cupcakes. As you will see, our sorority colors are yellow and green, and we always have white mixed in with that. Okay, there are our cupcake minis. Just perfect little bite-sized cupcakes for ladies on a tea. They can just fit nicely on their plates. And then look here in the front. I told you I was trying to find a nurse figurine. And look at this sweet little nurse plaque that I found, this little nurse word plaque. Let me move this sugar bowl. It took me a while to find it, and I did order it, and it just says nurse, and the writing says let your light shine. And then right there on the table in front of that is our sorority emblem, Eta Phi Sorority, and our motto is service to humanity. And then I could not find a bona fide nurse figurine, but what I did find was this little angel holding a heart in her hands. And nurses are often referred to as angels of hope. And then we often say that nursing is the heart of caring. So I felt like this little angel just perfectly represented us. I got my china set out of the cabinet, and so that's the teapot that we're going to actually use. So there'll actually be hot tea in that. And then as you see there in the center, my heirloom teapot, which is just for display. And then toward the back, we have some really cute cookies. And on the cupcake stand in the front is a cookie. I'll bring you up closer to see that in just a minute. But in the back, we have some more cookies, and they've got the Eta Phi colors and little turtle on them. And then there are some lemon bites on that next tray. And then I've got some vanilla bites on the table behind them. So this is a better shot of the lemon bites in the middle with the cookies on top. And then to the left here, we have our croissant turkey sandwiches. So it'll just be plain old turkey slices with a croissant. Oh, the chicken salad sandwiches are out. Let me grab those. There's always something that needs doing the hour before people come, and I have forgotten to get these chicken salad sandwiches out. So I made these little finger sandwiches with wheat bread and white bread, and I used a family recipe. And we typically will make this recipe for weddings and bridal showers and other special occasions, so I thought I would make it today for our Nurses Day tea. In the back, we've got our cucumber sandwiches right there. So we've got our fruit, we've got our savory with the chicken salad and the croissant and turkey slices, our cucumber sandwiches, and then of course we've got our sweet with our cookies and our cupcake minis. And now let me give you a close-up of the cookie. My sorority just really outdid herself. She found a bakery that would make these for her, and there's our sorority signs and our mascots, the turtle, because the turtle has to stick his neck out to make progress. And as nurses, we're always wanting to make progress, and we will stick our necks out. So there's our special cookies for today, and she ordered enough of those for everyone to have one. And again, there's my heirloom tea set. And now let me back up and give you a full view of the table itself. So there's our table. I've got more chicken salad sandwiches in the fridge. I've got to bring the apples out. And we're in good shape. So I am going to wrap this up for right now. And as I promised, I'd be looking a little differently today than I was when you saw me trying to get this table decorated initially. So now here's a question for you. Which part of this table design with the food did you find most interesting? Which would you like to try at your house? Tell me in the comment section below. And if you have ever been done a kindness by a nurse, today is the day to say thank you. So if you know a nurse, say thank you, because nurses sit at the bedside and do so many things to help people bring babies into the world and help ease people's last breath and all the various things in between. So if you know a nurse, today is the day to say thank you. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years. So if you want to learn more about cooking, cleaning, laundry, planning, and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a part of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye and wishing you a very happy Nurses Day. I got a few more things to finish up, so I'm going to get to it. Bye. As you can see, our colors are yellow and green, so most of us are rocking that yellow and green, and we are enjoying ourselves. And then we have quite a few guests who are here today. So the guests are not in yellow and green. Look how beautiful everyone looks in their yellow and green. I didn't do too much putting yellow and green out because I thought we are going to be the flowers. Are you I am. Food on it. So here's our chicken salad sandwiches. Here's our fruit. And the cucumbers. Look at the, that was my mom's. Well, she gave it to me and it was her mom's. And then look at the cookies. Thank you. Oh, for work.
Babe.
Already? Oh Lord, what did I lean on?
What is that?
I must have leaned on something. Yeah, okay.